is the aviary, and you can see birds are happy this morning. They're excited. It's an old coin, but I just left it hanging in there. They play with it, and I have this old pair, this very old pair, but this is the first time we're going to. So these two, you can see. I'll show you the female in a bit. So that's the female coming out of the pot. I placed some wood shavings in there, so the female doesn't like the quantity, so she herself is preparing. She's bringing a lot out. There's no tedious work because normally they would have carried a lot in there, but I placed some there. She doesn't like them, so she's taking some out. I have some that like the quantity, so we're trying with it. So that's the this here is the male. That's the male. She initially chose this one, this box right here, but later on went into the pot. I added in the pot so that I have just about I have 4 pairs in here, but I have a 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. I have 8 boxes. You can see 1, 2, including the pot, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is like my first box that I did, and then I have 2 here, 1, 2, making 8. So for the 4 pairs, I have 8 boxes. I didn't want them hustling for boxes or nests. So that's it. And today, this oldest couple are now preparing a nest. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I will update you guys on how they are being to do. So stick and stay.